All right, we got the Walapo cordless vacuum cleaner. I got everything right here and right there. I'm going to introduce every piece to you as the video goes on, but here's the main vibe right here. This can be shortened to here or lengthened to here. This is the attachment I'm using right now for the floor. This is the main vibe right here. So this can come off very easily, and I'll show you the other attachments in just a second. Attaches in very easily as well. So this is where all the stuff's going to go in here. This is the filtration system and everything. This is the battery. I'll show you how to take that out in just a second. Here's how we're going to power it on. Press this, and you can hear it going. Slowly speeds up. This is the standard mode. This is like the slowest mode, and this will work for about 35 minutes on a full charge. You press this button again. That speeds it up even more. This will work for about 16 minutes on a full charge. Now, my floor is pretty clean, but just to give you a vibe, oh, also it has these lights up front. The lights up front, that can come in very handy. My floor is very clean, but I'm gonna run it just to see what it picks up. There's not really much to vacuum, but we'll just do it anyway. And this is sort of a hardwood floor vibe, but obviously this will work on other surfaces as well. And I'm just sort of running it. This floor is really clean. Okay, floor is really clean. Almost a little too clean. But it is picking some stuff up though. It's picking some stuff up. So, oh, you know what? Let me turn it back on actually. Just to give you the vibe. You can see the stuff flying around in there. You see it? So it has picked up, even though the floor is really clean, it did pick some stuff up. Now what we're gonna do, we'll take this vibe off, detach that, and you know, let's even detach this just to show you. So you can detach this from the end right here. Because you could use one of these attachments at the end of this. Maybe you want to vacuum something really high up. You could attach one of these pieces or one of these pieces. But what I really love is coming in here. Let's just attach this one. Turns into this. This is a vacuum now. Just like this. And you can vacuum, say you're in the car or whatever, you want to vacuum the seats or vacuum somewhere, some sort of hard to reach surface. You can also attach this one to the end. And one thing I want to say, to detach the battery, you're going to push this button, and then you're going to pull it out. This is the battery right here. We've got the charging cable, comes with right here. Plug this in right here, and you'll plug this into the wall. So that's great. And then you've also got the vacuum holder for storage. If you want to mount this to the wall, it's got this to mount it to the wall as well as the mounting hardware. But easy to store. This thing, I mean, it doesn't take up hardly any space. And it's just a great vacuum. So I highly recommend it to you.